Welcome to today's Simplicity Specialty Training. Today's training is on Credit Bureau Tools. To get to the Credit Bureau Tools, you can go to Tools and Credit Bureau Tools. Once you're ready to start reporting your accounts to your preferred credit bureau, the Credit Bureau Tools holds data from your Simplicity Collect accounts and formats them into Metro 2 format so they can be submitted to the credit bureaus. There are 4 credit bureaus that we work with: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and Innovis. This tool performs the basic task of reporting specific information to the bureau of your choice. So to report an account to a credit bureau, first you need to enable credit bureau reporting. Currently, if I click View Accounts, it will show me 0 accounts because I currently have no accounts set to report to the bureau. We can do this 2 ways. We can do this in bulk through Tools and Bulk Account Manager. If I view my accounts, scroll down to the bottom, and check the box for Enable Credit Bureau Reporting. Click Perform Selected Actions. All of these selected accounts are now Credit Bureau enabled. Okay. The other way to do this is individually through each account. We can click on an account, and down by the debtor name, we have enabled Credit Bureau, Report to Credit Bureaus. Okay, so we can either enable or disable that here. So going back to Credit Bureau Tools, okay, if we click View Accounts now, you can see that we've got 50 accounts, which is how many accounts we just enabled through the Credit Bureau reporting tools, minus the one that was deselected. Okay, so once your accounts are Credit Bureau enabled, because there is a certain set of basic information that credit bureaus need, this tool will only work if the account has the following information collected. These are required fields: for debtor first name, debtor last name, debtor social security number, debtor address line 1, debtor city, state, zip, original creditor name, date of first delinquency. Those are all required in order to report your accounts to your preferred credit bureau. So once we've selected Tools, Credit Bureau Tools, followed by View Accounts, this will pull up any accounts that we have marked to report. You can enter your program ID from one of the following credit bureaus listed. Again, those are Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and Innovis. Once you've inputted your required ID for the selected credit bureau, you can report your accounts to the one that you have your ID for. After you've entered your program ID, you can click the Report button. If there's any problems with the account selected, so for example, one of the accounts does not have the date of first delinquency, a pop-up will let you know what the issue is so that it can be fixed. When there are no issues with the selected accounts, you will be prompted with a to download. Save this file to a location you can locate, such as the desktop. Lastly, log into your credit bureau's website. Each credit bureau has a place for you to upload this file directly. You will need to perform this step in order to successfully report these accounts. I'm going to go over a list really quick of Simplicity fields that are reported. Some of these are optional. The ones that are required we did go through just a moment ago, but I will mention them again. any credit bureau program identifiers, company PIN, company name, company address, company phone number, account type, account date entered, last update date, original claim amount, current balance, date of the last payment made, date of first delinquency, which is required, date closed if it is closed, debtor first name is required, debtor middle name, debtor last name is required, debtor social security number, debtor date of birth, debtor primary phone number, debtor address line 1, which is required, debtor address line 2, debtor city, state, and zip, which are all required, original creditor name, which is required, and original creditor classification. So you can also request a credit report through Simplicity. To do this, you'll go into an individual account, and click Generate Credit Report Request. Clicking this button generates a text file which contains some details about the debtor. You can upload this text file to your preferred credit bureau, and the bureau will then give you the debtor's credit report. Next, you'll be processing the return file or the credit report received. You can go to Tools, Credit Bureau Tools, Upload Credit Report. You'll browse for the file that was received from the credit bureau. Once you've selected the desired file for the credit report, you can click Upload File. This will upload the credit report into Simplicity, and it will be placed in the doc folder of its corresponding account. All right, any questions? All right, if there are no questions, then we'll go ahead and end our training for today. All of this information can be found beginning on page 200 of our user's manual. If you have any questions at all, you can give us a call at 866-791-0224, option 2, or you can submit a help desk ticket. Thanks so much, and we hope you have a wonderful day.